Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making some tasty beef and cheese quesadillas. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. So as we gather and measure our ingredients, I'm going to tell you what makes these beef and cheese quesadillas so freaking amazing. Some of the things that make these quesadillas amazing is the fact that they're easy to cook, the ingredients are inexpensive, and everyone loves them. We're going to use several types of cheeses to make these quesadillas pop with flavor. These are on the spicy side, but not really hot. Sometimes people confuse spicy with hot. You can be spicy and not hot at all, guys. It's just about pouring tons of flavor into something that makes your taste buds extremely excited. These bad boys are great for a nice little lunch or can easily be an entree for dinner. Since we're using two sources of protein, cheese and beef, these guys are filling. We're also going to use 2 layers of cheese because, you know, why not? You only live once. This is Mexican cheese blend and cheddar cheese at the bottom. Chili powder, salt, garlic powder, tomato paste, onion powder, cumin, black pepper, beef broth, and oregano, dried. Homemade flour tortillas. So I'm going to get a little olive oil in a non-stick pan that's over medium heat. Toss it in the ground beef. And chili powder, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, cayenne pepper and black pepper, and cumin. Now I'm just going to cook and stir until we brown our meat. Beef broth, tomato paste. And then we're going to take the beef out of the pan. And then we're going to wipe down this pan. I'm also going to drain off the excess. Right now, I'm just going to put it in the bowl. Now the pan is clean. Take a fresh homemade tortilla. I'm going to turn this on low. I'm going to sprinkle. First of all, there was cheddar cheese in here and a Mexican cheese blend. And I mixed all that together. Now I'm going to put a layer of cheese down just like this, and I'm going to put a layer of that delicious mixture we made, and this is enough for around 3 of these. Sprinkle more cheese on top. What am I doing? That's what's up. What's up, son? Hope you're not lactose intolerant. Alright, now I'm gonna fold it over like that. And we're just gonna brown on both sides. You know how we do? See how we doing. Okay. Give it a little spritz. Spritz the top too. Spritzer. I'm only making one, so I'm gonna cook this and start cleaning up. And I'll show you this when it's done.